At M&A Matting, we believe that our people are the heart and soul of our organization. They are the driving force behind our entire culture. And our culture is rooted in our unwavering core values. And when we speak of innovation in mats, over the years, Waterhog has set the gold standard for floor mats that combine innovation with exceptional performance. It scrapes, it wipes, and it absorbs water, an extraordinary creation, meticulously designed from the ground up. Beneath the fabric surface, rubber flows, seamlessly intertwining with the textile fabric to create raised and reinforced nubs in the shape of iconic patterns. Waterhog is carefully engineered to be safe. The anti-slip rubber backing minimizes the risk of mat movement, is safe for you and the planet. Its solution-dyed PET carpet is infused with 68 recycled bottles a square meter. Whether you find yourself in a commercial space with high standards, a healthcare facility where safety is non-negotiable, or a retail setting where customer experiences matter, Waterhog is there to enhance floor safety wherever you go. Not only safe but also clean, and easy to clean. Its signature bi-level design allows for effortless vacuuming, sweeping, or hosing off. The beveled edges ensure a seamless floor-to-mat transition for foot traffic and cleaning equipment. The water dam border contains water and dirt, preventing them from flowing onto your floors. With its reinforced rubber nubs designed to withstand crushing forces, Waterhog is granted an extended all-weather durability, continuing to deliver outstanding performance even after 1 million steps. The bi-level takes it to another level. Superior scraping, wiping, and absorbing capabilities, combined with dual-layer patterns and the water dam border, indoor and outdoor. But that's not all. Waterhog is unique, allowing you to tailor it to perfection and let it harmonize with your vision. Waterhog is the epitome of personalization. Choose from a variety of border types, patterns, sizes, and 5-star color palette. Waterhog is nothing short of extraordinary. It's safe, clean, and unique.